I'm Angela and he's Josh. Today we're going to take a road trip to O-Kun-De-Kun Falls. Let's go! Whee! Nope, never been here before. I've driven past the trailhead many times and never stopped. So it's a big day.
Where should we go around? Or should we just... I'm going this side.
Careful, go in the deep end.
Did it! Do you hear that sound? Sounds like a freight train. I didn't think these waterfalls were that big, but it sounds pretty massive.
Yes.
Exciting. Worth the hot hike in. Oh, yep. Upper Falls, and then it says O-Kun-De-Kun Falls, 800 feet. I guess this is the Upper Falls, Konteka Falls. Oh. Didn't even know. See through the trees. I think we're on a lower trail here. I don't think this is the main trail. I think we're doing the scenic trail.
All routes on this.
Yep.
On the other side, so it's kind of slippery.
Okay. water level is so high. It's crazy. I mean, I haven't been here, but you can tell all these trees are all in the water. There's like logs down in there. Very, very high. Our trail ran into a flood. So, I have to bushwhack upstream of this creek and find a better place to cross. We found the main trail. Ah. Wow. That's beautiful. A little rainbow down there. You can see it right there. A lot of water. So parts of this trail are really, really nice and well done, and then there's other parts that are really, really mucky. So I guess my advice would be wear footwear that you can get muddy.
And that's comfortable.
And that's comfortable. Josh is
My work boots are
regretting
not
his work boots. The sounds of limping. No, I don't want to wreck my pants. Well, that was a great day.
Yes, it was. Beautiful waterfalls.
The amount of water coming through both of those places was insane. I'm glad we made it out this weekend. I bet if we come back later in the summer, it'll be just trickling. Thanks for coming along with us. See you next time. Bye. Good job.
That's how you clean.